Hey, this video will be more of a tutorial than a time-lapse, so I will explain more about the things I do. Enjoy! First we start with a kind of vignette. Then we are going to select two leaves. Now we put some kind of hand in it, and we're going to select it. Then we can place the hand in the right position and mask it out. Now we're gonna duplicate the hand and position it, and we will also mask out just like the first hand. Now we are going to give the two hands a nice edge by just masking. Now we can bring down opacity and see what to mask. Then we put a kind of moon in the internet, and we put the blending mode on screen, and we will position the moon. Now we are going to emit a number of light rays and add particles to it. Then we copy the moon, and we will position well again, and that on the other side, and we add light rays to it. Then we also copy those particles, and place them well. Now we will add fire, and set the blending mode on screen again, and we will place the fire between the leaves. Now we go to Lightroom to do some color correction. And we go back into Photoshop to get rid of some lines. And, what do you think? Is it a like worth? Also subscribe to this channel. Can we get 20 subscribers till the next week? Bye.